In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track inventory in QuickBooks. We'll start by turning on the inventory features you need so QuickBooks can properly monitor product quantities, pricing, and stock levels. First, open QuickBooks and click on Settings. From there, select Account and Settings, then go into the Sales tab. In the Products and Services section, click Edit. Here, turn on the options for showing the product or service column on sales forms, tracking quantity and price or rate, and tracking inventory quantity on hand. These settings are important because they allow QuickBooks to record what you sell, how much you charge, and how much inventory you still have available. Once those options are enabled, click Save. Next, head over to Sales and Get Paid, then click Sales Transactions. From this area, select a new transaction and choose Invoice. This is where you'll work with products and services connected to your inventory. In the Products and Services section, click New and choose Inventory. This tells QuickBooks you're creating an item that should be tracked as physical stock rather than as a non-inventory item or service. Now it's time to enter the item details. Start by filling in the item's name, SKU, and category. These fields help keep your inventory organized and make items easier to search for later, especially if you manage multiple products. After that, enter the initial quantity on hand along with the as of date. This gives QuickBooks a starting point for your inventory count, so it knows how many units were available on that date. You can also set a reorder point. This is a helpful feature because it allows QuickBooks to alert you when stock gets low, making it easier to avoid running out of popular items. Then enter the sales price or rate, the cost, and assign the item to an inventory asset account. This step connects the product to the correct accounting category so your inventory value is tracked accurately on your books. When everything looks correct, click Save and Close. At this point, your inventory item is ready to use. From here, QuickBooks can help you track both purchases and sales tied to that item. As inventory moves in or out, keeping those transactions updated will help maintain accurate stock counts. If your quantities ever need to be corrected, you can also adjust inventory levels to match what you actually have on hand. That way, your records stay clean, your reporting stays reliable, and your inventory tracking remains useful day to day. And that's how to track inventory in QuickBooks.